What's going on, everybody? You already know who it is. It's your boy Tony around there. Add my seasoning. I just don't like the seasoning getting all on my counters and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead, face them down or whatever. We're gonna add some of this chicken. Y'all know I stay using this. Y'all know that. If y'all watch my channel, y'all know I stay using that chicken blah 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 blah. We want to use this every time I cook. This is what I use, man. I love it. I'm absolutely in love with this stuff. And if you ain't tried it yet, you are missing out. You are missing out. Alright, now we're going to come in with the rotisserie chicken, baby. Oh yeah. Not so much because this stuff is strong, y'all. It's not strong, but it's strong enough. So you don't want to douse it like I just did with the chicken bouillon. A little bit of steak seasoning, okay? You can also use this on beef and everything else, but it's called steak seasoning, but you can use it on beef and stuff. Not so much of this, because this is some good strong stuff, so not a lot. Y'all know I stay with the onion and herb, y'all know I stay with that. Come on now, come on. Y'all never seen me cook without the onion and herb, ever. And I'm running out too. That's a tragedy. I love this onion and herb. No! I'm running out, y'all. We're gonna get some butter. Just spread it out. And now we just need to get some aluminum foil and cover it. Cilantro. I think I'm spelling that correctly. Pronouncing it correct. Just a little bit. So we're gonna wrap this bad boy up nice and tight, and we're gonna throw this bad boy in the oven on 350 because it's only 4 o'clock for a couple of hours. Okay. So I already see it's only 4 o'clock. It's still early as heck. So we're gonna throw this in the oven, like I said, for a couple of hours. Okay. All right, y'all. These spare ribs been cooking for about 4 hours on 350, as you can see. 4 hours later. Oh god, and they smell so good, y'all. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at those spare ribs, y'all. Let me show y'all how tender. Look at that. Look how tender that is and juicy that is. That's how you want your spare ribs done. So let me just move these around so I can get this barbecue sauce on there. Alright, I flipped them over, because remember we cooked them bone side down, remember? I flipped them over and I got a little bit of butter. And I'm just going to spread the butter over the top before we put the barbecue sauce on the spare ribs, okay? Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. That looks so good. Look at that. Look how tender. Let me show y'all. Look how tender and juicy that is. Look at that, y'all. Y'all can't tell me that don't look good. Barbecue sauce going on. Get that side. Go ahead and use your trusty brush just to make sure it's all on the pork chop. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Barbecue sauce on that. Alright, I'm done. Let's spread that around. Look at that. We're going to throw that back in the oven, covered up for about 20 minutes, and we'll be good to go. guys, this little dinner vlog is done, man. This is how the spare ribs came out. Y'all know they look good. Look at them spare ribs, y'all. Let me get a fork just to show y'all how juicy these bad boys is. Look at that. Let me show y'all. Look at that. Made to perfection. Look at that juice. Nicely cooked. Look at that juice. Y'all see that? Bam! Alright, man. I'm about to go smash, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Peace out.